Hello, this is a video to show how to make transparent glass material using Principled BSDF in Blender. This is the default scene in Blender. I delete the default object and then I add another group. Go to Add, Merge to add a group. And then I will go to Edit Mode. And I want to make it thinner. I will use Scale and reduce the thickness. And open the resize panel, we can type the value. I will use 0.05 in Y. And then I want to add the bevel on the edges to make more reflection and refraction. So I select all the edges, press A, and then go to Edge. We can get the bevel edges, or we can use shortcut Ctrl B to get the bevel edge. So I will use 0.01 for the width, and then we can go back to object mode. So this is a piece of glass that we will use for adding material. For adding the glass material, we can set up the scenes first. We can go to render properties, and I will switch to cycles, and go to here. I will switch to render preview. This is quite dark because there is no lighting. I will add a light. I will choose area light and adjust the size in radius about 3, and I move it backwards and move it upwards a bit, and we can rotate it. And I want to adjust the power, so go to object data properties. We can find the power of light. I will turn it to 1000 watts. And then I want to add a ground under the glass, so go to add, merge, I add a plane. Actually, I will use the transform panel to move it downwards. I will type negative 1.01. And then for the scale, I will adjust it to 50. So this is the scene that we will add in the glass material. And then I select the object and change the name to clear glass. And then go to material properties. I add a new material and change the name clear glass. In the base color, we can choose the white color. And roughness, I will tune it to 0 to make it shiny. For the IOR, this is index of refraction. I will choose it 1.49. To make it clear, we can go to transmission. In the range, we can tune it to 1. So we got the clear glass material. And then I copy and paste. And I rename it to frozen glass. And I move it backwards. Actually, I want to use transform panel to move it. I type 0.5, and in x-axis, I will choose 0.5. To make the frozen glass, I change frozen glass in the name, and in the reference, we can tune it. So make it frozen. And then I copy and paste, and I move it backwards to 1 in X and 1 in Y, and I rename it color glass, and then rename it to color glass. I will change the roughness to 0 first to make it shiny and choose the color here. I will pick a green color. So this is how we can make transparent glass material in Blender using cycles as a render engine. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.